Hilti takes customer service to another level. Need a repair but want to save downtime? No problem. Give us a call and we will pick up your tools. Would you rather leave your tools with a small hardware repair shop or with an ISO 9001 certified company with professional repair service team and top-of-the-class equipment setting? Your safety is top of our concern. We undergo comprehensive performance and safety check every time we receive your tools for repair. Don't risk your safety and productivity with generic parts and partial repairs. You can trust the quality of our repairs. While some repair shops use generic spares, Hilti only uses original parts. We'll provide transparent invoicing where you understand by item the work that was completed versus a lump sum invoice from a local repair shop. Receive unparalleled customer service from us. Efficient, hassle-free, and quality every time. We'll pick up and drop off your tools as soon as it's ready, reducing your downtime and inconvenience. At Hilti, we understand your tools are an investment. You can be confident in our top-of-the-class repair service to restore your tool's performance.